Filtering data. Filtering data is a really good, useful tool to use when you're trying to find information quickly. It's also good to have your students use when they're formulating data for a project. The idea behind filtering database is to first get your headings. So in this case, I'm going to put name, gender, grade, and then maybe grouping. I'm just going to add a few. Okay, so I have my groups. And now what I want to do in order to create the filtering is I want to highlight my headings, come over here to the right where it says sort and filter, and I want to click on filter. Now you can see I now have arrows on each column. So if I want to sort by female, I uncheck male, I have all my females. If I want to undo that, I can. Let's say I want to sort by all students that have grades over 80% or less than 80%, let's say. I want to see my students that aren't doing very well. However, I don't want to just sit there and go through every column and uncheck the ones that are more than 80%. I can go and do number filter. And I can do equals, does not equal, greater than, or equal to. And that's important because on this assignment it asks which is greater than, and some ask which is greater than or equal to. So make sure you keep in mind those words when you're picking your filter. So I want anything that's less than 80%. So less than, and then I'm going to type in 80%. And when I hit OK, you'll notice I only have 2 students left. I can see their grade, I can see their groupings. And let's say I just want to see my male students that are less than 80%. I can come here, unclick female, click OK, and now I have my male student. And there's one male student that scored less than 80%. So once again, I can always undo everything. To get a filter, I highlight the top row, click on the Sorts and Filter button to the right, and click Filter.